forgot to go to iPad. Honey. Well, guys, I know I'm not playing a game, but I will click one. Then I'll start. But soon you'll be able to get my own merch. It's exciting. And what did I do? I did not know. Okay. Mommy? Mom? I love you. Okay. I do not want to know what I just clicked. I need help. I need help, Mom. Mommy? I made my screen go upside down. I don't know why I clicked. Don't speak, okay? In my room. Can I say one? No, you're recording. Yeah, but my screen got upside down. But guys, we're just having to get fixed again because the computer keeps going upside down. Okay, so guys, sorry, but we're back. We had to take a long time fixing, but it's done. You're probably wondering, but how did you get many of these games? So, if you want to get games, get on Google. This is how I just got my background. But then, go to Game Jolt. Game Jolt needs to be installed before you go on it. Once you've done that, then now we want to... Now you want to pick your game. So I just go to search and then type. If I go to search and type FNAF. I type FNAF. See? And that's how I got all the things. And I was only teaching you.